Imagine hitting the open road in a vehicle that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with the comfort of a luxury apartment on wheels. That's exactly what the exciting concept of the 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm motorhome promises. While Toyota has not officially confirmed every detail, automotive enthusiasts are already buzzing about what could become one of the most luxurious and capable motorhomes ever built. If this vision becomes reality, it could completely redefine road trips, family adventures, and off-grid living. So buckle up, because this is one motorhome you won't want to miss. At first glance, the 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm motorhome makes an unforgettable impression. Its bold front fascia features an aggressive grille design paired with razor-sharp LED headlights that create a futuristic appearance. The aerodynamic body isn't just about style, it also helps improve fuel efficiency and highway stability. Rugged skid plates, muscular wheel arches, and premium alloy wheels give it a commanding stance, making it look equally ready for downtown streets or remote mountain trails. The side profile is equally impressive, with sleek body lines flowing toward an extended luxury camper cabin. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior while giving passengers incredible views of their surroundings. Integrated LED lighting, power awnings, roof-mounted solar panels, and smart exterior storage compartments add both convenience and sophistication. Around the back, stylish LED taillights and a modern rear design complete the premium look, making this motorhome stand out wherever it goes. Step inside and you'll immediately feel like you've entered a 5-star hotel suite instead of a recreational vehicle. High-quality leather seating, genuine wood accents, soft touch materials, and ambient LED lighting create an atmosphere of luxury and relaxation. Every detail is carefully designed to maximize both comfort and functionality. The spacious lounge area features plush reclining seats surrounding a smart entertainment center with a massive touchscreen display. Whether you're streaming movies, checking navigation, or controlling the climate system, everything is accessible through Toyota's latest connected technology. Voice controls and wireless smartphone integration make daily travel easier than ever. The kitchen is designed for serious travelers who don't want to sacrifice convenience. Premium appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and generous countertop space allow you to prepare meals just like you would at home. Clever storage solutions ensure every inch of space is used efficiently. When it's time to rest, the sleeping quarters deliver exceptional comfort. A luxurious queen-size bed, premium mattress, overhead storage, and panoramic skylight create a peaceful retreat after a long day of exploring. The bathroom offers a spacious shower, modern sink, smart toilet, and high-end finishes rarely found in traditional motorhomes. Performance is expected to be one of the Thunderstorm's biggest strengths. Industry speculation suggests Toyota could equip it with a powerful hybrid turbocharged powertrain, combining impressive horsepower with remarkable fuel efficiency. An advanced all-wheel drive system would provide confidence on snow, mud, gravel, and uneven terrain, allowing travelers to venture beyond ordinary campgrounds. Toyota's latest safety technologies are expected to come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking cameras, and intelligent driver assistance systems. Combined with Toyota's well-known reputation for durability, this motorhome could become one of the safest options for long-distance adventures. Although Toyota has not officially announced pricing, experts predict the 2027 Thunderstorm motorhome could start around 120,000, with fully equipped luxury models potentially exceeding 250,000 depending on customization and optional features. If Toyota transforms this exciting concept into production, the 2027 Thunderstorm motorhome could become one of the most desirable luxury RVs on the market. It blends premium comfort, advanced technology, rugged capability, and Toyota reliability into one extraordinary package. Would you choose the 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm motorhome for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content.
She says, hey man, there were just too many days when our good intentions only got in the way.